On YouTube, this is my Queen's Eye back with another video, back with another message. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you guys for all of the support, all of the likes, comments, shares, subscribe. Everything is greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. The strength card wants to come out here. I don't know why I heard resisting arrest. Seven of Pentacles here. Least resistant. Let me get a prayer in real quick. Multi-loving ancestors of my highest good, my highest light, my highest frequency. Please help me to channel these messages clear and concise with truth and clarity. Please block any and all negative interference during this message. Please return to sender tenfold. Thank you. Something about released investments. Something like that. Eight of Wands. Somebody could be trying to release like some type of fault here. Or somebody is thinking of a way to, or like assessing or reassessing a way to so somebody could be trying to think of ways to release their controlling thoughts, but it's like they can't resist. But because they can't resist, they in this Seven of Pentacles here. Like, why do I keep going back? Because every time I go to invest in a certain type of thought or a certain type of behavior, I do not get like my return on investment here with this little page right here. I don't know who that was for, but take it how it resonates. Queen of Wands, somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Could be a Leo female, but just take it how it resonates. Nine of Cups with the Empress with the Tower at the top. Six of Cups. Four of Pentacles. Somebody's been sitting on something too. Resisting either saying something, because this Strength card, like the woman is trying to hold like this lion's mouth shut. So I don't know if somebody is blackmailing somebody else because of some type of finances here. Judgment, Eight of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. But whoever this is, it's almost given like they can't not say anything. Like they have to say something because like the more they resist, it's like the, I don't know, I want to say like the downer they get. Pentacles with this Knight of Cups. Something about wait, yeah, it's something about some type of statement. Because a minute ago I said whoever was signing something, or even if it was an official person, on this Eight of Pentacles, on this pentacle right here, I don't know if y'all can really see that, but that is not like a straight line. It's curved. So it's something with It could be false statements or crooked people writing statements or something like that. Somebody, I saw the Four of Pentacles. Somebody could have held back information regarding some type of finances or investments when they wrote a statement here. I don't know who this is for. Because it's like, because the other day I picked up petitions too. So this is like different people, like either signing something here. Um, I don't know. I don't know what the petition is. But whatever this pinnacle is that this person is holding, it's like this is the one. This could have been like the last one that was needed or something like that. And they did not get like that person to sign or say something here. So it's like they did it themselves or wrote it themselves. It's something like that here. You have to really take this out and resonate, y'all. And somebody either got some clarity or they're about to. Ace of Cups, Seven of Wands with the Hierophant with the Emperor here, Three of Pentacles. The name Corey Miller is significant. Cool. C is significant. Oh wait, this Knight of Wands is showing flipped out in the reverse here. Somebody can't make a move. Could be this Queen of Wands, Queen of Pentacles energy. Somebody could really be dealing with a Leo here. Somebody is very pessimistic too. Because sometimes the Knight of Wands in the upright is somebody that's optimistic. They still have um like a passion for something. Somebody could have even lost their passion. Because I said in the beginning, somebody is trying to figure out if, like, why whatever they think about, or they're trying to not say something. It's like, why every time I do that, Seven of Pentacles, I'm not getting like my return on investment here. Whoever this is, they don't know, like, I want to say they don't know patience. And I saw the Temperance. They don't know patience. And if this is somebody who has lost passion for something, if they didn't lose passion, it's like they never really had the passion. They just wanted to do it because they had the control, or because they, I don't know, saw something, said something. I don't know what this is, who this is for. But somebody has either lost passion for something, or they just never had it. They just felt like because they had some type of strength that ultimately something would work, but it didn't. Because you being pessimistic, that doesn't help like your situation, regardless of what it is. Queen of Swords here. Seven of Swords. Nine of Cups. Five of Cups. Knight of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. Emperor. Somebody scared. spirit here. Because it is something that, like I said, somebody said, did here that confirmed either what somebody was looking for or what somebody already said. And somebody cannot make a move here. They cannot make a move. And they're trying to get some type of favor. And that's not going to work. It's not going to work. That Seven of Swords, whoever this Queen of Swords is, they got somebody. They probably got somebody in a situation to where they could not move. But somebody took somebody back to a statement or something like this, yo. The Seven of Swords. So it's been a lot of like recanting energy lately. Because I just was explaining to my soul tribe, I think yesterday or the day before, learning your birth chart and learning like the transits and how karma is coming back. Whatever, it could have been damn, last time we had a Mercury retrograde. Oh, somebody don't pay attention to the transits. It's something somebody said or did already where it has them literally like they cannot make a move. Swords. They cannot make a move. Because like I said in the beginning, somebody like they could be pessimistic here. Nine of Pentacles with this Ten of Swords is like this is the only thing that somebody mastered here. This was it. And how to betray people. And how to cause like endings for people only for them to gain some type of wealth or fame or some old shit like that. Heavy on the 15 minutes of fame. Oh wait, death with the Fool right here. Three of Swords. And I don't know if this somebody that feel like, I don't want to say the risk that they took was worth it because it's clearly not, because I just said they're looking for favor. So they know that this this ain't it. This ain't it right here. Like heavy on whoever this is was literally on a suicide mission. It's like you mastered how to like truly kill yourself. Wait. Or this person know like whatever this truth is right here, that's literally going to put them down. You just really gotta take it how it resonates. Wheel of Fortune, Page of Swords with the Hangman, Three of Cups. If it was some type of investigation that was delayed, it's getting ready to, I want to say move forward, but like you're getting ready to be celebrating a win here. Because this Ace of Swords, I don't know what this shit is right here, but take it how it resonates. Cups here, Six of Wands, King of Cups with the Justice here, Page of Pentacles. Whoever you are, you could be getting ready to gain like the love of a lot of people here. Heavy on the final nail in the coffin. Like somebody, whoever this is, like they literally like block their own emotional fulfillment being pessimistic. So being pessimistic, like this is somebody who always like if you have a solution, they have a problem with the solution here. So it's like if somebody know they in the fucking wrong, somebody know they just doing shit just cause they feel like they can, that's abuse of power. Whoever this is, like whatever they were constantly thinking about, that shit ruined them, yo. Or how they was trying to end something for you, like that shit literally ruined them. And it's because they tried to, well, excuse me. Because when I pick that up, don't ruin someone else's life with a lie when yours can be destroyed with the truth here. Somebody know that whatever this truth is get ready to fucking destroy them, and they need some type of favor, and they not getting it. Like heavy on this person being used as an example. I was not expecting this right here. Was not expecting this. And it's because somebody refused to like speak on something, felt like whatever they were hiding or lying about or doing, like them hiding it from you, it was like that was them like investing in themselves, but all they did was invest in their own downfall, trying to end something for you. Ace of Cups here. Yeah, whoever this is, they trying to get some type of favor or something. And it's like if they still like around, there's somebody that's going to get in between that. Like every time, heavy on the you stepping right over this person, or like your favor or your anointings is going to just like lift you up, and then you're going to be carried over this person. Somebody about to get carried away here, and it's going to be because of this truth. For somebody too, this could be suicide. Eight of Swords, Four of Swords here. Three of Pentacles, the Hierophant. Because I said a few minutes ago, somebody was on a suicide mission. Anything else before I pull out the Kipper? We got the Empress here with the Two of Cups, with the Two of Wands here. Heavy on the you going on a retreat. Were you retreating or going back in hermit mode or something like that? Lovers here, King of Wands, Queen of Wands. Eight of Cups, Five of Swords. If whoever this is up here, if they were always trying to figure out why like people walked away from them, I'm gonna be honest, it's clear to them. Because like I said, this somebody who don't like, they just feel like they can do something just because they can. And that's abuse of power. Somebody is about to understand, like, just because you have some type of power does not mean that you fucking abuse it. And when you abuse it, you ultimately like bring your own fucking demise here. Like somebody be over fucking doing it. But this is somebody who feels like they had mastered like themselves. But it brought their demise. See, when you master self, it should raise you higher. It should elevate you higher. All this did was just knock somebody down more, trying to knock you down. Like this somebody who probably feel like you are on a high horse, but you're not. Whoever you are a humble individual here. You're just brave. Because you, Empress, you could have mastered like going through Ten of Swords here. Like learning yourself, like every time something happened to you and you just created some type of change, even if you were by yourself. Because I just said, if this somebody that's trying to figure out why people walked away from them, they know why. And it's the same person that's looking for a favor and they're not going to get it. They're not going to get it. Star energy, like that's that person's 15 minutes of fame. Star devil with the hermit. Oh wait. Let me grab the kipper here. Yeah, 8 of Swords here. 6 of Pentacles, the Emperor with the World. 9 of Wands, the Tower. Ace of Wands. High Priestess. 4 of Cups. Queen of Wands. Like I said, there's somebody who know why another individual walked away from them or other people. And whoever walked away, they took some type of action here. They could have wrote something here or recanted here. I said heavy on the recanting energy because people could see like with this strength, Ace of Swords and this Empress. I did a video a minute ago where I said it was a bold statement that you were making here. And you did that like on your own. So this is giving me like if somebody wanted like a different part in your story, they would have played a different role. That's what this is giving me right here. Now, for somebody, this could mean too that you should come up out of your head about the moves that you're making. Trust yourself. Trust yourself enough to know that you're making the right moves and the things will fall in place that need to. Somebody needed to hear that. But this Knight of Wands in the reverse, whatever they called they self-mastering here, it just brought them down, yo. 10 of Swords to the 3, that's 7. I already saw it. This could have been somebody who lied on a statement and said that they were with you or they were in some type of partnership here with you. We. I'm hearing save the best for last. We. So whoever this is, they want it to be seen as the best, the more powerful, uh, heavy on the 15 minutes of fame, yo. Because if somebody is somebody that's powerful, You're not going to need people to lie on you or for you. You're not going to have people watch you. Like, you're not going to have people like delay you or gossip about you because you're out here like being who you truly are. There's somebody who likes to hide. Somebody cannot hide anymore. So if this was somebody at one point that felt like they were powerful, got people to do certain things, they're powerless. Because if people are recanting, that does not mean that you have the power anymore. This could actually be driving somebody crazy too. This Knight of Wands in the reverse too. Because it's like whoever you are, Empress, whatever statement, whatever bold statement you're making on your own, because you don't need to resort to certain things to get people to do what you ask or not even do what you say, not on a disrespectful type of time, but just to listen and to implement and to initiate doing something different here. You don't need to lie on people. Hey, you better do this, or this is going to happen to you if you don't do this. You don't need to do that. Whoever the fuck this Knight of Wands is, they bought their own demise. They bought their own demise. All because they wanted to feel like they were more powerful than you, because they felt like they could call judgment on you. Well, how can you do that now if people are going back on what they said or what they were forced to say? And whereas though you could have been telling like somebody or people like invest in yourself, like try to keep like abundant thoughts or high vibrational thoughts, like this is somebody who just always tried to like bring you down. They done hit the ground. And I said before with this Fool card, somebody thought like, yeah, I'm going to take this chance. I'm going to take this leap. And it's like when they took that jump and they thought they was going to get some favor and get caught, and they didn't, yo. That was a little minute ago. They were not caught. But you were caught because you wanted to save yourself. And it's not that people don't want to save themselves, but it's like if they're dealing with somebody who feels like they can just abuse their fucking power whenever, however they want, that's not how that go. Heavy on the one hand washes the other. There's somebody who don't know about like helping people. Like there's somebody who feel like, oh, I'm in control. That means that I love you. No, the fuck they don't. No, it don't. There's somebody who about to learn their place, y'all. And whatever this truth is, this could really be the one that puts them down. But I guess, hey, at least they mastered themselves, right? To no return. Okay. Hey. And now whoever this is, it's like they're just gonna have to watch people like celebrate you. Because it can really be in their mind like, how is somebody else calling this empress like the stalker or the liar or the hater or the thief or however? And it's just like what they see is like you out here doing it by yourself. Like you having a connection with spirit yourself with this two of cups here too. Take it how it resonates. Message of concern here. Somebody is seeing like, so you know how people like, I'm not gonna believe it till I see it. It's right in somebody's face. Y'all see that letter, how she holding that letter? That shit right in her face. This could really be a female. Main male, pathway, imprisonment, main female with the thief here, expectation. This could even be the same person that felt like they was in control, like I'm not in control anymore. No, Knight of Wands in the reverse. You can't just move any kind of way you want. Somebody don't like that you can like roam free. I said this before. And it's not about you roaming free. It's just that you really mastered, truly mastered self here. Not having to resort to hurting people feelings, not resorting to lying, cheating, or stealing, or however, or backstabbing people, or even taking people's lives, or speaking curses over people. Like you did not have to resort to that. You understood that having a connection with spirit and self, that was the key. That was the key. And that's how you were able to move forward. Because you really don't want to be around people that's not going to, like, I want to say congratulate you or clap for you. This person never wanted to clap for nobody. They make it look like it. And they in some type of regret here. 3 of Cups to the 2, that's 5. And I think I saw the 5 of Cups. Anything else? Thank you. We got high honor here. Oh, wait. I heard they coming. Journey change, sudden welfare, marriage, expectation. Yeah, whoever this is, yo, this female here, somebody going hear something, see something, and they going to know right there, message of concern that this is over. That's like the confirmation, like whatever somebody get ready to hear, um, or see, that's going to be their confirmation that this is over here. We got the concern. And something could have already been like illuminated to this person. But like I just said, this was somebody that was like, oh, I'm not going to believe it till I see it. Okay, it's right in your face. It's going to be right in your face. Are you going to be a fucking believer? Are you going to believe now that you self-sabotaged? Are you going to believe now that you bought your own demise? Feeling like you mastering, betraying people or causing some type of pain or endings in people's lives? This is somebody who really feel like shit right now. Because the way you master self, and the way they master self, there is no fucking confusion. or at least there shouldn't be. And if that is what's sinking into someone's like thoughts now, like, damn, I really was doing it like that and I should have, yeah. But there's somebody who felt like because they were more powerful or they held some type of rank or something like that, that they could call judgment over you or curse you in some type of way. And that's not how the fuck that shit go. We got the child card. It's so interesting that the child card came out because I was just shuffling and looking at this page of swords right here. It's something that happened when you were a child. And it's like people could have been watching you or watching whoever like did something to you as a child here to delay you. Or they just could have even just watched like how you grew up, how you grew up, and how you turned out. Because if this somebody that's like, oh, I can't do this and I can't do that, and I went through this and I went through that, and it's like, well, you could have went through something worse, even as a child. But you were able to master self to the point where you broke curses, you created change, you healed whatever heart or whatever pain you had, whatever you know I want to say enemies that you had, and you saved yourself. This is somebody who just make fucking excuses. Like I said, if you find a solution, this person is going to find a problem with your solution. This is not the motherfucker that you want to be around. And if this was somebody who thought that they were going to be like chosen by like a wealthy man here to be in a partnership with, they can forget it. They can forget it. Especially if this is somebody who was trying to like tend towards you and your person, or like a rank or a job or something like that. No. Look what you had to do to get that though. Cause the Empress like knows like whatever is hers or his, they're going to attract it. But so this somebody that feel like because you are the Empress and you attract, and it's like if whatever they speaking, it's like they really wanted to stick to you. And no, that's not how that works. This is the importance of healing. Because this is somebody who Ten of Swords you. Could have even had you in this death energy. Because this somebody who thought that whatever they did or whatever they spoke over you was going to slow you down. Because sometimes the Page of Swords could be a child with mental development here. They call them reprobate. So you could have experienced all of that and still found the time to invest in yourself here and to build up your own confidence without having to be reckless or just acting on impulse, just thinking how it resonates. That's mastering self. Not Ten of Swords in people, not Three of Swords in them, Seven of Swords, death, not doing none of that shit. And this person ain't getting no favor. Change with the sudden wealth. 9/11 is significant, and November 9th. Because whoever you are, you were like really chosen to bring some type of change. And this person thought that them being like in some type of powerful position that they would get you to follow them. And that's not what happened. Thoughts with the despair, bad health, expectation, distant horizons with the mature woman. They thought that they were going to be like seen as the one. Well, you're about to get your 15 minutes of fame. You are going to be seen as the one, but you're going to be seen as the one in the negative sense because that is all the energy that you wanted to invest in, put out into the universe, send to other people. Have you on the good fucking job if you've been clearing your energy? Because this is what's bringing this motherfucker down. Good fucking job. Because I mean, shit, it would be fair, right? If I send that shit back, that's not your energy. You wouldn't normally do this type of shit to somebody. Clear your energy. And it really got somebody fucked up, though, in the head. I'm telling you, that's why I said in the beginning, I didn't really know where it was going, but that's why I said in the beginning, whoever it was thinking of something, said something, they trying to figure out like why they could not hold back. And it's because this is somebody that was like literally stuck in their ways. Literally. So now you're just going to stay stuck. Got occupation here, education, mature woman. Whoever you are, because I said earlier, bold statement with the strength, ace of swords, and his empress here. Whoever you are, if you have made people recant without having to force them to do so, without having to organize a lineup or a setup or something like that. Have you wanted somebody going to be picked out of a lineup? But if you were able to get people to clear your name, child card with adjudication with the thoughts, that's a powerful motherfucker. And again, whoever like felt like they were in control, they just bought their own demise. Like this was somebody who was in control so much or so long that they've lost fucking control, yo. I picked that up a little minute ago. 16, 34, 31, 32. 16, 30. Got expectation here. 16, 28. I don't know if this female was waiting on this person to like rescue them. Toy on labor with a coffin though. Mature man, pathway, false person. Like it could have been like expecting somebody to keep something like covered up. Now, for somebody, this person, like they could feel like somebody, whoever this is, they could feel like this wealthy man was like working with them. But that's what's in their mind. Because And this is what somebody kept telling themselves. But this is why they're in this self-made mental prison. It's something with the thoughts here. Thoughts, Eight of Swords, and the Eight of Wands, because the Eight of Wands is communication. It could be the thoughts, it could be phone, text, all that type of shit. This could even be somebody recanting, like saying that they talked to you on the phone here. Heavy on the you was being photoshopped. Like somebody went to really like extreme lengths to tend to sword you here. That's for somebody. And that's why like they're expecting like some type of favor, but whoever that wealthy man is, whether it's a man or a woman, they did not know. Because the occupation can also be like something being covered up, especially with the seamstress on here or the material. Something about clothes. Distant horizons with the mature woman here. Journey, message, community, official person here. We got coffin, mature man, wealthy man here. Marriage. So somebody, so heavy on the old me, dead and gone. Whoever this female is, though, they're literally going to be dead and gone because there is no old them. It's the same old them. I don't know who that was for, but take it how it resonates. And it's like if people are going to be like holding like expectations for you, it's like you're not going to let down. Like you're not going to let them down. Like you're going to keep your word. You're going to remain true to yourself first because that's who you are. Marriage here, wealthy man, mature man. Often toil and labor with the lover's false person. This could be somebody too who hate the fact that they had to. This could be an undercover. I picked that up a minute ago. Somebody had to go undercover to expose like a group or somebody. Somebody hates the fact that they had to go undercover, but clearly they had like good reason to. That's clear. Heavy on the you going from rags to riches, poverty to the privileged lady. And even with you being like in this poverty energy, whoever you are, it's like you still like maintain like your truth, your essence, regardless. Regardless. What Mary say in that song? How do I forgot the song, but she said how do my fans do my fans still like love me when I'm down or not at my best? And it's not that these people could be your fans, but you take it how it resonates. But whatever you went through and you've maintained or came out or overcame whatever this is, it's like you deserve it any fucking way. Like to be celebrated, like you deserve it any fucking way. Take it how it resonates. Now, for somebody, this female up here, for somebody, this could be that this older woman here, this mature woman, and they're going from riches to rags, but heavy on the shift. Karma got to come around sometime. But whatever this is right here, this permanent. With the death card out here, this permanent. See, somebody can't be a part of this permanent change because of their choices and their consequences. You see, the Feast of Plenty. Divine Feminine here. Initiation. Somebody felt like it was literally their duty to go against you. And it was your duty to remain who the fuck you are. For you to grow, for you to elevate, for you to master everything about self, at least putting in that effort, Two of Wands, choosing to do so. Because everybody got choices. And you made the right choices here. Empress with this child energy, privileged lady. Anything else? I knew the imprisonment was out here. Somebody could really be going to prison here. We got watchers with the transpersonal here. The wall, obstacles, and then the fallen angel, spiritual narcolepsy. Wait, what they say? That's a personal problem? Wait. Somebody had a problem with them being like sleep. They should have woke the fuck up. They really should have been following your lead. But because somebody felt like they were more powerful than you, that they were a leader by whatever they were doing or however they were able to get people to do something, it's caused obstacles. So what have you truly gained? Somebody feel like you're a problem because you want to wake people up? That's a personal fucking problem. You see? Because who you are, divine feminine, and who this person is, it's two different people. You're very graceful. You're generous, even when you don't have much. It's somebody who just want to take. The thief is out here. That's all they want to do. Like, this is somebody who really don't have no regard or value of life. We got dancers on one foot, balancing act, deep diver, diving into a task here. Root girl, the disowned self. Heavy on to somebody having to get back to their roots. Or this was somebody who felt like whatever their ancestors did, or something like that, that they could keep it going here, diving into a task. So that's clear that somebody was not into change because they wanted to stay like this powerful person, or you know this leader, but you're not leading. Heavy on the ancestors led this motherfucker right to their grave. Closing door with the completion here, yo. Preparations come to fruition. What have you truly like been preparing yourself for? You don't get no favor for that shit. Transmuting pain. That's what they should have been doing. Because if they was watching you, they should have been taking notes and learning lessons, but they wasn't. They felt like them watching you or watching wherever you at was going to have something, whatever they spoke, happen. And that shit didn't, yo. You know what you've been preparing for. This person just wanted it in their mind that whatever was for you was going to be for them. If they spoke some type of curse over you and that shit ain't happened. First breath with the beginner's mind here. The power of community. Revelation here. Just in sword, confidence in your magic. Rest and renewal. Clarity and organization. That's that ace of swords, yo. I don't know. This is really like somebody's last breath. Or somebody's about to take it. Take it how it resonates. What they say, you can't help people that don't want to help themselves, yo. That shit really be true. That shit really be fucking true. You just really gotta know, like, the people that surround you that really want to help you. You'll see it. You'll see it. What you put out will come back. Heavy on the cycle being completed here. Somebody cannot make a move. So, guys, that's the end of the message. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.